Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the Megaman game on Java. And in the last part, I uh, showed you to draw the frame. I also a buffer image on the screen like this. You can see here we are drawing a frame. This is the frame in the idle animation. You can see here. And today I will show you how to draw the animation for the Mega Man. Alright, so let's code. Before I do some code, I will explain something. Alright, so like I said, a frame uh, is simply a small image in the big image. So this is a frame, maybe a sprite like this. Alright, try like this. And then we have another frame like like this. Alright, so what is a what is an animation? So an animation is a list of frame that can make some movement, right? If we use 2D frame to make an action like this man can can hands up the first time he make the hands up, and then he down the hand like this. This is just a practice in the body exercise, right? So right, if we compile to this together, we can make an animation, and when we repeat, uh, alright, alright. So let's go to the code and go to the Megaman here. Now I will use a list with the element is a frame image, and we put the name is the animation and import the correct collector also right here. Oh, sorry, I used the wrong package. I need to use Java util and list. Alright, and in the constructor I will create a new instance for the animation variable by the array list. So array list. Alright, and then I will add the frame to this list. I will add the idle one here, right? So this is the frame image, and then I will add another is the idle 2. Alright, so if you want to know uh, what the name we put in this, you can go to the file and go to the frame.txt file and see how many frames for every animation here. So we have here the animation idle 1. You can separate the idle and the number from the trailing. So you can see we have here the animation idle. So we have here 1, 2, 3. We have a 3 frame to make the idle animation. Alright, so let's go back to the Megaman class and put the last one, the idle 3 here. Let's go back to the draw particular object here, and alright, and now before I use a variable named the animation index from 0, and in this I will get the frame image from the array animation get, and I will put the animation index here, and after that I will increase the animation index to 1 unit for the later update. Alright, and in here for the drawing image here I will use the frame image instead. Get the image, and now run it to see. Yeah, so we get in this power section here, I need to fix something here. If the animation index bigger or equal the animation size, I will put the animation index to 0. So this is we will create another repeat. We repeat the animation. Alright, so let's run it to see. And you can see here the animation is going too fast. So now I will slow down the animation delay time for every frame by create another variable named the frame image time. Alright, and here I will check if the system millisecond get time. Alright, let me see. Alright, system current time millisecond. This method will return the time immediately, the time right now by millisecond on your computer minus the uh, frame image time here bigger than 300 milliseconds. I will I will update the animation index here and we'll put this to here. Alright, and let's run it again. It's too fast. Yeah, I need to update the frame image time to this time, right? um, yeah, this is long, so I need to catch it to the yeah, I think I need to change it because the current time is so large, so we need to use the long. Alright, you can see here the animation right now is slowed down, right? But it is too slow, so I will change it a little so it will be faster. Alright, you can see now the animation here is very good. Alright, so this is the basis of the animation in this game. Now I will copy the code and explain it so you can understand my original code. Alright, let's go to the file and go to the animation file here. So you can see the file is similar with the frame data, right? The first line is the number of animation, and then we have here the name of the animation, and here is all the frame for the animation. The first is the name of the frame, and then we have a number represent for the time delay. This time by the nano time. So you can see here uh, the we have here the number is 70 million. It's too large, right? And and here we have the idle time, the idle 2 and the idle 3, and here the idle 2 again. So I need to explain here. Alright, I will run it again to see. The animation is not perfect because you can see. So I put more frame here to make the animation look like more perfect, right? So that is how you can see. Alright, so now you can understand what is in the animation file here. So time for copy the code and explanation from the code, right? And go to the cache data loader here and scroll down to the loader animation here. You will copy all the function here. Let's go back to our cache data loader class and go to the bottom of the class, pass this to here, and alright, and we need to copy the animation class here. and go back to our project. In the effect package, create a new class named animation and pass the whole of the class here. Alright, don't worry, I will explain all the things later. We go back to the cat data loader here, and we are missing the animation property from the cat data loader, so we just copied it from the original. Let's copy this slide, go back and paste it here. Right, so all the error, no, yeah, we're missing the path for the animation data, so just go back and copy it. Alright, so all the errors was fixed. Alright, and just go to the load data and unrecommended the load animation here, and let's go back to our Megaman class and remove. Right, I will remove this and use the animation class and put the name is idle, and here we don't need more, just idle any here, idle any equal the cache data loader get instant, and yeah, we're missing the method to get the animation, so let's go back to the cache data loader and find the get animation. Alright, here copy this method and go back to our class and pass it the bottom of the file, and go back to the Megaman class, just call get animation and put here the idle, and in the update don't forget to call the idle animation update, and here I can put 0. Alright, and in the here we no longer need it, so just enter here, just use the idle and names and get current image here. Alright, now let's run it again. Oh, we have something wrong here. Alright, I have the problem here with the data time. Alright, so I need to Alright, so we need to fix this a little. Just go to the game panel and go here and see the progress. Yeah, and our game panel. Alright, we have here in the game will stay. I will close all in here. Right. Update here and wow. Alright, I find what the problem. So because I defined the wrong name for this parameter, so I get some confused. Here it's not the delta time, it's just the current time on the system. So here we just call the system and nano time here. And like I said, because we use the nano time for the animation delay, so here we need to put the nano time also. Right, and for here, okay, so here is just the current time. Okay, I will change something. Right, so I think it's not necessary to change because it will produce some confuse when you read it on the origin, so not necessary, right? But you need to understand this this value, where it come from. Okay, and now let's run it. All right, you can see here the animation right now is perfect. Okay, let's see it. Let's focus on the eye of the Megaman. Okay, nature, right? Okay, so that's it for this video today. And if you like the video, please subscribe and click the thumbs up on the video. And don't forget to see the description if you want to get the code, the project, and leave the comment if you want me to explain more. Alright. So thanks again and see you next time. Bye bye.